Rescue operation is underway for 4 employees of Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited who have gone missing after a pipeline of Kopili Hydel project at Umrangso in Dimi Hasao district of Assam burst last Monday. As per reports, they were caught in a water burst following a leakage in a tunnel pipeline of the project. Convener of Organizing Committee Mera Hauchongba L. Ratan Kumar has appealed to the public to observe the upcoming Mera Hauchongba under a single state-level platform. The observance will be held at Kangla on 13th of this month. Ratan Kumar was speaking during a press meet at Kangla, Imphal. A one-day sensitization cum training program for Panchayati Raj institutions of Bishnupur CD block on the topic Child Protection was organized by District Child Protection Unit, Bishnupur Social Welfare Department, Government of Manipur at Panchayat Resource Center, Bishnupur today. International Girl Child Day was observed under the theme Girl Force, Unscripted and Unstoppable at Hainobok Awang LP School in Oinam constituency today, jointly organized by Hainobok and Waroi Singh Children's Club, People's Resource Development Association Action Aid and Namoikul Younger Club Hainobok Awang. Acting on a tip-off, 2 separate teams of Lilong Police Station under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Thaubal Dr. S. Ibomcha arrested a drug peddler along with a huge quantity of illegal drugs from his residence located at Lilong, Tairen Makhong last evening. The arrested individual has been identified as Muhammad Abdul Rasid alias Linthoi, aged 32 years. In connection with the death of Manipur Police Constable Moirangthem Bikarjit, a team of All Jiribam United Club Association, accompanied by media persons, paid an investigation visit to a cemetery under Namdailong at Jiribam Assam border, where late Bikarjit left his motorcycle before he was found dead at Baiboni of Jiribam district. The body of a man who drowned into the BARAK river in Jiribam district on 7th of this month was recovered from BARAK river last evening near Mazumdar Bazar in Assam. According to media reports, 20-year-old Lauriam Zeri Singh, son of L. Jiten Singh of Kalinagar Part 1, Jiribam, drowned in the BARAK river on October 7th while swimming. Youth Rising Star Club Tidim Ground under the aegis of Mau Imphal Coordination Committee today set up a one-day Mau market at Tidim Ground, Imphal. People swarmed the Mau market to buy different items since early morning. 43 Assam rifles seized, 5 gold biscuits smuggled from Myanmar near An Champai village under More. The gold smuggler fled the spot, taking advantage of the darkness, leaving behind his items. Director of Research Central Agricultural University Lamphel and All Manipur Progressive Farmers Association AMFA jointly organized a one-day training cum program on importance of quality seed production and popularization of lychee farming at Watha village. As tensions continue to soar ahead of the assembly elections in Sikkim, violence has already begun in parts of the state between the supporters of the major parties Sikkim Krantikari Morcha (SKM) and Sikkim Democratic Front (SDF), according to media reports. Mamallapuram was under a thick security cover today as banners welcoming Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping in Tamil, English and Chinese for their second informal meeting were seen around the historic seaside town, a media report said. The 24th state-level Yoga Physics Championship 2019 was kicked off today at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yaiskul Police Land, Imphal. The championship is organized under the theme Yoga for Health, Well-being and Sustainable Development. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, President of ASSAM, Th. Samungau Singh, General Secretary of Manipur Thinker Forum, M. Asni Kumar Singh were present as main guests at the inaugural function.